An eye-catching promotion poster can help your bag collection stand out from the competition. Open Canva and click Create a Design, then search for poster. Browse through the templates and choose one with bold typography and a clean layout that gives your product enough space to shine. Upload your featured bag image and place it in the center of the poster. Next, replace the sample headline with your promotional message, such as new collection, limited time sale, or exclusive offer. Now add a short description along with pricing or discount details. Keep the text brief and easy to read. You can use Canva's Elements tab to insert sale badges, fashion icons, or stylish